Do you feel like you want to leave photo editing area because you are stuck? Just stop there, because I want to show you 5 game tricks to level up your edits. With these tricks, you can go from a complete noob to a pro. So let's go. So let's say you have a situation like this. Here you have to change the color of this urn. What you normally do is that you pick the brush tool and paint over it. But there's a better way to do that. Just click the bucket select tool and check the box where it says fill similar colors. Now if you click on this, see, all the same color will be changed. And from now on, you can correct these things. So you are working on a big project and you have billions of layers. For some reason, you have to copy few layers from one project to another. If you copy one and copy another, the first one will be overridden. And you have to come back and select the one, copy it and then go back. It's a lot of work. Instead, what you can do is just go to Windows, Dockable Dialogs and Buffers. Then if you select one, and go to edit, buffer and copy named. You can name it whatever you want and it will be saved as a copied image in the buffer tab. You can do it to as many tabs as you want. And then to paste one of these images, just go to another project and then select the image you want to paste from the buffer tab and click on this icon. And it will be pasted. It's that easy. And the next one is removing backgrounds. No, I'm not talking about that bad shit. This is an AI trick. It is called Remove BG for GIMP. With this plugin, you can remove the background with just one click. I have shown you how to install this plugin in this video. Go watch that video if you want that. Next isn't really a trick, but a common thing that annoys most of the beginners in start. And it is Move tool doesn't move the current layer. So I have this layer selected here. Now if I want to move that layer, it actually moves the layer above it. Now to fix that, in the tool options, check the option called move the active layer. And now if you move it and see, the selected layer will be moved. And the final one is changing selections into paths. So let's say you have selected this image using any of these selecting tools. And as usual, it will never gonna get it right. Instead of wasting time manually selecting it over and over again, just go to select and click on to path, and that's gonna change your selection into paths. And you can go to the paths menu and turn on the visibility of your newly created paths, and from here you can work on it easily. Okay, these are some tricks to make your editing workflow faster, but you wanna make it even faster and intuitive. You wanna use some plugins. For that, click on this video where I showed you some cool plugins for GIMP.